Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon. Depends on the time where you are right now. And guys, I want to say something looking at what I've been through here concerning my business and what I do here. You know, I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot concerning the business that I do. You know, this is the business that I do. Most of you are familiar with it. You've seen it, and I've been through a lot. A lot of people, they've said a lot of things concerning my life, and anyway, I just want to say this. You know, I don't know if it is in Africa or if it is just in Zambia, where people, they don't want to see somebody going forward. They forget that whatsoever you're doing, you need to be committed. You need to put your effort in whatsoever that you are doing. So my effort in this thing that I do, and my effort like trying to build my life, trying to build my family, it has become a problem to a lot of people. So this is what I always go through here. So, you know, let me show you my area first before I say something. See, this is my area, and this is where I am right now, and these are the types of like the area where I am. It's not that developed. It's not like I live in a luxurious house. I live in a luxurious maybe place. No, I don't live in that kind of area. I just live in a simple area. Econ path. Okay. So I just want to say this. If you are watching this video and you are facing the same challenge that I always face here, please do not give up. Do not listen to people. Whatsoever things that they always say about your life, about your family, about you, about anything about your life, like concerning your life, please do not give up. You know, the time I started this business, a lot of people, they said is going nowhere. I started this business, that was in like some of you've heard, that was in 2017 when I completed my tertiary education, which is my college level. So I started this business trying to learn a small, here in Zambia we call them Ntemba. So I started doing that, and a lot of people, they were like, okay, he's doing this, you see, these people. Shut What do you want? So, as I was saying, so the time I started, a lot, they were like, okay, see what he's doing. He's just running a small thing, and he don't want to concentrate on life. Even my own family, they came against me, like, okay, what you're doing is just, I'm sorry to use this word, they used to say, I'm just doing foolish things. Okay, my boy. Okay. So, like, I had a bad incident which happened to me. You know, when something is happening on your family, like on your life, that time, that was in 2019. I had a girlfriend, and the same girlfriend who has given birth to my child, she had the first pregnancy. Kaliza Tamuri. She had the first pregnancy, and then the baby died. The baby died upon giving birth. Now, like everybody was seeing her like she's pregnant, she's pregnant, she's pregnant, and she used to come visit me. Maybe we can people. Let me say, people used to see us like chatting, talking to each other, moving, and then the baby died. That's where everything started. Like people, they started saying, "I'm into Illuminati. I'm into Satanism. I'm into witchcraft." Just because the baby has died. And some, they were saying, I I got the baby and then put the baby in front of my business so that the baby can run the business. In short, I sacrificed my baby to my business. So they were saying a lot of things, a lot of stuff, and it used to hit me up, and I used to feel bad, like this is what is happening to me. This is what people are saying. Am I doing the right thing? May I stop this? So I kept on pushing myself, doing it once again, but still that message will still hit me. Now there came a time people used to come just direct and tell me, like, you did this, you did this, you did this. How can you do this? How can you do this? And But when I sit down, I ask myself to say, am I really the person they are talking about? Am I really the person who is into witchcraft? Am I the person who is into Illuminati? Am I the person who is a Satanist here in Zambia? And somehow, one person, I responded to her like, if I am truly a Satanist, I cannot be suffering like this. If I'm truly a Satanist, I cannot be living in this area. If I'm truly that person you're calling me, I cannot do this. So all those kinds of things were upon me. All bad words, they were upon me. But I did not give up. So the way you are seeing this small business that you see here, it is not the way it was. There wasn't a building. There was just a place where you come up with sacks, plastics, and then you make something. You start selling something in that what you've made. Until I came up with this building that you always see here. So what is my message to some of you, like, who are into business, who are doing anything? People come from nowhere, people come from everywhere, people come from your families, even your family, they'll come against you, they'll be against you, they'll frustrate you just because you want to achieve a dream. But if you want to achieve a dream, do not stop. Continue doing the same thing. The only person who knows the truth is you. The only person who knows the truth is you. So if anybody will say this and that, like, okay, this is him, this is him, this is him, the only person who knows the truth is you. But if I was that person who is into Illuminati, I cannot be suffering like this. And I always tell myself, if I am into Illuminati, if I'm into Satanism, I cannot be suffering like this. I am here. So don't mind about people, just mind about your business, mind about what you do, and be yourself, just focus and be committed to what you're doing, and everything will blossom, you see. Everything will come up, will blossom, and you'll be well. You'll be well. I'm not saying I'm well, but I'm still fighting. Just trying to grow myself and trying to grow my family, So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please kindly like this video, share, subscribe, Click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. This is your friend, your brother, and your YouTuber, Timothy Hara. I'm out.